The most important thing to know about operating the Fluke 754 or 753 calibrators is one button and three screens. The most important button to understand is the measure source button. It configures whether the calibrator is in the measure screen, the source screen, or the calibration split screen. With the measure screen, you would select the function that you'd want to measure: volts DC, milliamps, thermocouples or RTD, resistance or volts AC. In the source screen, you'd configure what you want to source. And we can source milliamps, volts DC, we can simulate thermocouples or RTDs, we can measure pressure being sourced to a device we're testing, we can source frequency, and simulate resistance. In the split screen, you've configured the calibrator for these screens, and it's the calibration record mode, and you can go in and do a recorded calibration. In the setup screen, we can configure and turn on loop power. We can change the direction of the HART communication signal from the digital connector on the side to the milliamp measurement ports. We can also set the time and the date and the time. And we can select pressure units, change pressure units, and temperature units, and input our name into the calibrator to personalize it. And the backlight has a low, medium, and high setting.